Pixpa versus Shopify. Which one is better? Are you looking to build an online store or portfolio in 2025? Let's compare Pixpa and Shopify to see which one is better for your needs. Shopify is the industry giant, perfect for full-scale e-commerce businesses. It offers powerful inventory tools, hundreds of integrations, and advanced marketing features. If you're planning to scale fast or handle complex sales workflows, Shopify wins on features, but if it can get expensive with monthly fees and add-ons. Pixpa, on the other hand, is built for creatives, photographers, artists, and freelancers. It combines portfolio design, blogging, and e-commerce in one place. It's cheaper, easier to use, and comes with built-in client galleries, but it's not ideal if you're managing a large catalog or need third-party apps. So what's the verdict? You can use Shopify if you're running a full online store and need robust tools. Choose Pixpa if you're a creative professional looking for a beautiful all-in-one website with light, selling features. Thanks for watching.